12, 15-3. Let me show you all the cool things at the Phillies game. Hey guys, we're at Citizens Bank Park. We're at home of the Phillies, and it's Dog Night.
Number 2, center fielder, James Chisholm Jr.
Pitching. I did pretty good. I mean, I could have hit better, but like. I don't have a lot of grip. I don't have the most grip for real fingers, but you know.
Blair waits on the right side of the field to walk in the air left field. High up there.
Let's go do hot dog. I'm way better at it. I'm good at aim. And I got the top ones. Guys, so I was at the fake hot dog stand. Now we're going to the real hot dog stand because it's Dog Night. Guys, the line was insanely long for Dog Night. It was like an hour long. We missed 3 innings, and it was just insane. And at the end of the game, yeah, I won't spoil it at the end, but I hope you guys check out the rest of the video. You won't believe what I just got at the Phillies game. My brother's favorite Pokemon, Shiny Oshawott. I didn't know I was going to pull this here. Now let me just go and rash, and... Okay, let's see. You caught it. Okay. That's like my 100 and... Let me see. 100 and... 39 shiny. One more shiny and I will be able to get 140.
Back to back to back to back.
There's a bullet
Stay
down
fair.
the right field line. Gone! Just inside the pole. That was a sizzler by Schwarber.
What was it?
Schwarber!
How'd you know?
Because I knew! Guys, the Phillies stunk so much that people started throwing hot dogs at each other. And I started yelling, "Throw a hot dog at me," just so I could fling another at another person. And one lady got smacked in the face with a hot dog. Yeah. And to be honest, the hot dogs weren't even that good. They weren't even hot, or they just tasted like bleh. Alright, so we lost the game. It was a tough game, but you know, that's how it usually is in Philly. It's pretty tough to take. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!